No, I don't. Thank you.
Cushion.
In the cart.
It's in the cart. Cushion, please.
Get that lap belt through the hole.
Gotcha.
Oh man, it's not gonna drive by.
I know.
Okay.
Oh, can you get my... Hang on a second.
Okay.
Okay. You want this over or under the belts? Your cool suit connection.
I can't tell and I don't care.
Got it. Out of the way.
Well, I think that has to be. Yeah, that has to be.
It's fine. It'll go like this. Because this is gonna go down. Oh no,
That's
other
gonna
way around,
pinch
other way
up.
around. Yep.
Okay.
If you are broken,
We're over top of Hans on my side.
It's in the back corner. It's like behind my shoulders.
It looks good on my side.
Okay.
Where's the freaking radio?
It's over here. Oh, the connection? I don't
Yeah.
know. Up there somewhere?
I mean,
Here.
crazy? Yeah, I'm looking for the other side of it.
Oh, the seat?
Where the fuck did it go?
It should be zip tied to the seat somewhere around the shoulder.
It's the other side of this wire. It's on the seat side of that. Why do I be sitting on
Alright, I got it.
it? Back.
Okay, ready to tighten belts?
Yep. Ready, lap?
Lap. You good?
Feels good.
Okay.
Okay, shoulders.
Coming down on shoulder.
Feels good.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool suit. Get a solid connection there. Marty, are your cameras good?
Yeah, that one's good. I think that one's beeping.
Okay. Radio is on. Volume level should be the same, but you can adjust.
Okay.
Go ahead and do a comm check with him.
I got nothing. Can you hear me?
Kill switch. Oh.
Radio's battery.
Say again? Marty, what do you need?
Contact. I said the radios are on battery. Is the volume... That was loud. Yeah, okay. Comms check, comms check. Is the radio... Is this top... Is the record plugged into it?
Yes, you are plugged in. Check the IMSA connector, make sure it's all the way seated.
I just heard something. Comms check. Can you hear me? Hang on.
Use the button on the thing, not the one on the headset.
Is this keying up when he speaks? Can
Move
you...
your hand. Key the mic! Yes.
Okay.
I was having some. It was in and out for me.
We don't have another radio to give you.
Josh pulled the fire pin while we're looking at it.
Yeah.
Just said do it. Just said do it.
Okay, comms check or no?
Turn the car.
I guess...
Turn the car on. Like ignition on. That works too.
I can see 1 o'clock right now. Maybe in the sun it'll be hard, but I can come in what, 45 minutes?
Yeah. Marty, comms check.
Comms
Bring
check.
that radio to me. Walk this way and bring it to me.
got nothing.
I got you perfectly though.
Okay, hang on. Let me check the volume.
Captain Planet, go. Captain Planet, go. Go, Planet, go. Go, Planet.
Nothing.
Well, the important thing is that we can hear Marty.
Yeah, Marty, give me another test.
Check, check.
We can hear you.
All right. If you need to tell me to come in, wave the pit board, and I'll be looking every time I pass.
All right, we'll wave it from behind where the safety guy releases you. Because, like, that way you'll, I guess, or do you want at the pit entry?
Pit entry.
Yeah. Okay, pit entry. That's
You'll
fine.
have more attention to spare.
And if not, what? 45 minutes?
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Sure.
Yeah.
Well,
yeah, 35,
pit
40
board will
minutes.
be at pit entry.
Got it. Am I clear? Chalk. Chalk.
You're leaking gas.
We'll push you back. Hold back.
That's fast enough, guys.